Found your name carved in the oak. The letters faded like a joke, but I could still hear your voice, soft and broke. The world spun slow, we stood so still. Photographs are wearing thin, the edges curl, the colors dim, but I remember